Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, move quietly and prioritize stealth. This is the only way to engage a flutter mane. Once you have light, net, and lure, creep to its last known perch. Keep low and use terrain for cover. Make small, deliberate steps. Avoid sudden movements because flutter manes detect vibrations. Place the lure 2-3 meters ahead, then pause, watch breathing and wing flicks to anticipate movement. If it flares, freeze, don't chase. You must create the moment when it commits to investigate. Once done, trigger the lure with a short pulse to draw the flutter mane in. This focuses its attention and narrows its escape options. Then, when it approaches and pauses to inspect, step forward and throw the net in a controlled arc. Aim just beyond it so momentum brings both under the mesh. Make sure to collapse the net edges toward you immediately. Flutter manes exploit small gaps, so seal the top and sides. Calm, decisive actions reduce panic and injury. You finish by calming and securing the flutter mane. Gently cover its eyes to lower stress, then move it into a ventilated carrier using a blanket as a transfer surface. Make sure to check breathing and pulse regularly. Slow, steady handling prevents injury. If it slips free, don't pursue, retreat 10 to 15 meters, reassess cover and lure placement, and reset the trap. Aggression increases escape risk. Key troubleshooting. If it repeatedly avoids the lure, change scent profile or approach angle to break learned avoidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.